The Trivia Master dives into science behind everyday sounds, revealing how ordinary noises hide extraordinary physics and wonder. From fridge hum to drumbeat, each sound encodes waves that travel differently through air, metal, and water. A quick anecdote recalls a physicist who tuned a violin to visualize standing waves, turning sound into shimmering patterns. Viewers are invited to test with a glass and a spoon, guessing what changes when water height shifts. Drop your own science trivia in the comments and challenge friends to stump the master with one puzzling fact.